Guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show y'all a video that I filmed. A new video is a new video that buy a new house. First house, me and my brother bought a house for our mom in August the 28th. That's the day of the closing day. I'll show you a little bit of the video of showing it inside the house, and so about, but they don't tell you everything of that. So I just want to let you know, and but I'm back. So yeah, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. So yeah. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. We bought a house. Me and my brother help. We bought a house for our mom. So this is out of it. See, this is the living room. I think I'll show you. This is the kitchen and dining room right here. This is an extra closet in here. Oh, there's no light in here. There's extra closet in here. And this is the hallway bathroom. Yeah, this is the hallway bathroom right here. Like, see? Just like, and so yeah. Left that thing, a trash can in here. I don't know if we want to keep that. I don't know for sure. Okay, this is the first bedroom. This is gonna be our brother's room right here. So yeah, you'll probably see that black spot stuff. We gonna have to get this carpet clean, y'all. This carpet look needs to be. And also, I was looking at the carpet of it in here. This. Wait a minute. Okay. I'll be right back, y'all. So y'all probably see, this is the hallway right here. First floor of the bedroom. This is where the air conditioning heater is at. And also this is the security system right here. So this is my bedroom right here. So this is my bedroom. It's no ceiling fan. That's the only thing about it. It's no fit. So this one like needs to be painted too because of that. That need to be painted. This is right here. My closet. Also a light come on. Has a light in this bedroom. This one has a light, and that's the thing. I ain't checked that in the other one. I might need to check that. But I see what I think my mom was talking about this. Damn, what the hell is that? Ooh, shoot. What was that? It looked like it need to be. Also, we gotta check and see. Do the plugs work too? So, I'm gonna show you this closet. This is a linen closet, so you can put like towels or other stuff in here. So this is right here. This is the master bedroom that my mom. This is her. So y'all probably see this carpet right here. Yeah, this needs to be replaced because when I'm feeling it, it's like need to be stretched, replaced. Yeah, when I'm looking at, she got a ceiling fan in her room. Now this is the bigger closet. This is the bigger one. So y'all probably see. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, this is the bathroom. Look at this. This is my mom's bathroom. So this is like, has this in here. And the cabins. What the hell? They left this in here. But like this needs to be, oh wow. But still, this needs to be wiped down. I still gonna wipe it out. It's like, ugh. Yeah, that's nasty. It's like in the cabinets. Yeah. So yeah, this is the master bathroom right here. It's okay. And stuff. I know one of the bedrooms had a screen that need to be. What's the screen? It was this one. This the screen need to be take out. So my mom said she think about she gonna go and get a screen for that because that's replace. I thought about whenever we get, brother get paid, we're gonna go and do that. show you. Here it is, y'all.
Garage door.
Hey. So this is the garage right here. Some of the other stuff that she has. This other stuff right here, the paint stuff, that was in here. So that was there. This our table. That one's not our that this was already in here because I think they had a TV. And this is the water tank right here. Yeah, it's still good. But this house was built in 2012. So, and we still gotta make sure everything is, also we need to check. But yeah, I'm showing a little tour of the house, a little bit of showing to y'all. So y'all see, like, yeah, so some fans. This is the porch right here. This is the porch. Y'all see, but yeah. I don't want to show you the whole thing, but that's the porch and stuff. So yeah, it's a big yard. I don't want to show you the whole thing, but whenever I get a chance, it's just cars coming by and stuff. So I'm nervous a little bit. We won't move in until our lease is in October the 5th. So that's when we're supposed to move out of our apartment. Turn this light on. But our closing date in on the 28th. So we bought the house. Yeah, we bought the house on the 28th. Down the paper. We got the key on Saturday of the 29th. We got the key. So it was a lot of papers out. It was a lot of papers. But yeah, this is like nice and stuff. I forgot to show you the cabins and stuff like that. Another update, tell y'all a little more about. I just want to show you a little tour of this. Yeah, but also I gotta show y'all. But I'm gonna show y'all the wash and dryer connection. It's a closet right here. I forgot to show y'all that. Like, see? And that needs to be painted. Well, not really. It needs to be wiped down with some paint in this one. Okay. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later and see y'all like later. So yeah. Is this on? Oh, that was making sure. Okay, hey guys. We brought some stuff, few stuff over here that we brought. So we got some of our stuff. This is like my stuff right here. Some of mom's stuff, that's hers, and some of that. And we just brought some today, because today's October. Today's September. I forgot. Y'all probably see the date. Today's date. No, September 26th. So today's my brother's birthday too. So he turns 33. So I'm gonna say happy birthday to my brother. So yeah. So we brought some stuff over here that we have. And I think I'll show you. This is my brother's room right here. So got some of his stuff, mostly my stuff. The rest of my stuff is in the living room, the dining room. In the dining room. I got some of it in here. Yeah, it's my piano, my keyboard piano. My mom's stuff that she got her stuff. A few of her stuff too. Some of her stuff in here too. And but yeah, we getting everything in here. Also, with the security thing I told y'all, the ADT, I'm not getting that because they high. And I think I don't really need it right now, but I'm just going to find something different because I don't want to pay something too high. And our mortgage is, is more than that. And also today I'm on my period too. So, but yeah, we start paying our mortgage on the 1st of October, but we have until October the 17th to pay it. So we have enough time because my brother, we get paid every 2 weeks. Come that something, Walmart pay you every 2 weeks, and my mom. And I'm doing little by little, just resting right now. Watching a little bit of TV. We brought this is my mom's old TV that she just brought us, a small TV. So,